welcome back to our channel. I'm Courtney.
And I'm Candace.
And I look like my mother today. Oh, super quick disclaimer. We just took photos of fake snow, so if you see any white things floating around,
it's not dandruff.
No, I probably still have some in my hair. That's mostly why I put it back, because I was like, there's still snow in there.
Yeah, and it's literally like in my eyebrows. I tried getting it off, but like here's some right here.
So today we're doing a Fizzle or Sizzle
with the e.l.f. Hydrating Bubble Mask. I got this at Target. This was the most expensive e.l.f. product I've ever purchased.
Yeah, their skincare is a little bit more expensive.
So this was $14.99, I believe. And when you're used to buying $2 eyebrow products from
eyeshadow, $1.
$14.99 was a little pricey, but only for this brand. So I'm really interested to see how it works.
Yes. So this actually is going to be a two-parter. We got 2 skincare items by e.l.f. So look out for the second video.
So should we get started?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna read the box. It says no parabens and no sulfates and no...
What's a PHTH? How do you say PHTH?
Phthalates? Flates? I don't know. This hydrating and nourishing gel transforms into a bubble mask on the face. Watch as bubbles fizzing, and foam to remove excess dirt and cleanse pores for glowing, healthy looking skin. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this makeup off camera and then we'll come back to apply the mask.
All right, we'll be right back.
We are fresh faced
and damp because that's what it asked for.
So it says, this is actually really interesting. It's one of the push components. You push it to get the product out. So it says directions. Push down on the sides of the top to dispense product. Apply a thin layer all over slightly damp skin. So.
Oh, it's thicker than I thought it would be.
I don't know how many pumps we'll need, but here's one.
I've never done a bubble thing.
I haven't either. So it says thin layer. We're gonna need more than one pump.
Are you sure?
I mean, I think so.
Oh
wow.
Oh my god.
Hey, where's Santa?
I've never done a bubble mask. How long do you leave this on for?
Oh, 5 to 10 minutes, so we should set a timer. Okay, so let's do, what do you say, 8 minutes? It says 5 to 10?
Sure.
Okay, we're gonna set the timer for 8 minutes. Here we go.
This is tingly.
It actually feels kind of itchy.
It feels like it's moving. It's kind of freaking me out a little bit.
Let's see what else it says. Okay, when bubbles begin to dissipate after 5 to 10 minutes, massage with fingertips and wash with warm water to remove. Pat dry and follow with e.l.f. Daily Moisturizer.
This is
Hashtag play beautifully.
Freaky.
Yeah, I feel it. I feel it moving.
Feel like there's like a slug on my face going like just direct, right?
Right here, it's like, ooh. Ugh, what does that mean?
It's bubbling. I hope it's cleaning out my pores. I can hear it.
Yeah. Oh, don't you feel like there's worms underneath your skin?
I thought I would like this a lot more than I do.
I think it's just the feeling of it.
Mine's dissipating pretty fast. Does that mean that my skin was clean or extra dirty?
I don't know, because look at this area. It's like, what does that mean? Did I put too much on? Like, this is gone.
I feel like it's sloughing off my face.
So do I, but it's not.
This is such a trip. This is the trippiest mask I've ever done.
When bubbles begin to dissipate. Ah!
Mine's pretty good.
What is this meaning?
You're extra dirty there, Candace.
Oh my god. Ah!
I don't like this feeling. I never realized I was such like a feeling-driven person. Ugh. It's only been halfway. I think I'm gonna have to touch some of it. Ugh.
I honestly, I think I need to rub mine in because look, mine's like dissipated. I feel like it's coming off my face. Should I just do it?
Yeah,
Should we
do
let's
it.
do it?
Yeah, let's just do it.
There's nothing there.
Okay, cool.
There's nothing to rub. It's dry. What in the hell?
I don't know why mine didn't go away.
It dried on my face, Candace. I can't rub anything.
Well, the only reason I'm rubbing is because I have so many balls.
Touch my face. It's dry. Touch it. It's tacky, but it's dry. So what do we do with it?
That made me itchy. Now
Pat
we
dry.
massage, wash with warm water to remove.
Okay.
So I think more massage.
I can't massage. I'm just gonna tug my skin. So we're gonna go wash it off right now.
Okay. We'll be back. I don't know.
My face feels super clean
It does.
and cool and like calm. Like I get red with masks. We all say that. My skin feels really good, but that was freaky.
My skin also feels great. Like I really feel so clean, but the bubbling sensation, ugh. I literally wanted to crawl out of my own skin.
I liked your Fizzle Sizzle scale on 3 things: price, packaging, and product. So packaging, we say yes.
Yes.
I like the frosted greeny
It's
blue.
really pretty.
Price was 10-15 you said?
15. Which really is not bad.
I wonder how many you get out of here though. This has what? Well, almost 1.7 ounces.
Which is nothing.
1.7. So close to 2. I feel like I'm wishy-washy on the price. I'm not crazy and like mad or sad about it. So I'm like, whoa, it's a wash.
Yeah. I mean, it's new. We'll probably use it again just because we have it. I really did not love the feeling of the bubbles dissipating off my face. But overall, I feel like I have to give it a Sizzle because it's a decent product at a pretty decent price for Target, I guess.
I feel like you're a lot harsher on products than I am. And I think I'm gonna
Fizzle
it.
Really?
Because I don't think I would do it again. Like if you have it, so you'd use it, right? But would you go and buy it again?
No, I will never buy it again.
That's why I'm gonna Fizzle it. It's honestly just the weirdest sensation. My face feels great. I could do this with another mask or another wash.
I can like still feel it, like right here, like bubbling. I'll give it a Sizzle because I think it's worth a shot. If the feeling doesn't bother you, then I'm sure you would buy it again. I won't buy it again. I will say that.
But I don't hate it. It was just weird. It was just strange.
It was very uncomfortable. But is it worth a shot?
I would try it.
Yeah, I say if you guys want to try it.
For a bubble mask.
For a
'Cause I know
bubble
like
mask.
there are bubble sheet masks.
Yeah.
Maybe that would feel different, but we have a bad luck with sheet masks.
Yeah, and I really just don't like weird sensations on my face.
Alright guys.
Thanks for watching our first
part 1 of e.l.f. skincare. Keep an eye out for part 2 coming at ya. Make sure before you leave to like,
subscribe,
and comment down below with more Fizzle Sizzle suggestions.
And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at
Courtney and Candace.
Alright, see you in
Bye,
our
guys.
second video.